Stability can feel unfamiliar. Why Peter can feel strange after stress. This is Brain Lion Institute. Episode 154. After long stress, stability can feel unfamiliar, even uncomfortable. The system is used to a different state. Higher activation, constant tension, fast responses. When this changes, it can feel unusual. Quieter, slower, less urgent. This is not a problem. It is a shift. The system is adapting to a new baseline, learning a different state. Over time, this becomes familiar. Stability stops feeling strange and becomes normal. Next episode. Why some systems return to old patterns even after progress. If this resonates, please subscribe, like, comment and share. It helps the channel grow. This work is created independently. If it supports you, support link is available on the channel page. Thank you.